What's good, YouTube? Hey guys, look, I've been away from this channel for a while and I've been experimenting with other channels, trying to find out what works and what doesn't work. And let me explain. I've found the promised land and I've come back to share with you guys what I've learned, and what I wish I would have learned, or knew rather, when I first started this channel here. Without further ado, here we go. All right, step number 1. You don't have to be a pro. One of the biggest misconceptions about YouTube is that you need to be a professional filmmaker, content creator, or have expensive equipment to begin. Let me tell you what I found out. That's simply not true. See, the most important thing is to have a passion for what you're talking about or creating, and be willing to learn and improve along the way. None of your favorite content creators started out as pros, at least for the most part. What they did was have a willingness and a passion, and they found ways to express that. Remember, your first videos may not be perfect, and that's okay. Embrace the learning process and focus on refining your skills as you go along. Trust me, you'll get better. Step 2. The best gear is the gear you already have. When starting out, don't worry about having the latest and greatest equipment. As a matter of fact, the gear you already have, like your smartphone, basic camera, can produce quality content. You don't have to be super flashy. Just get it out there, because what matters the most is the value and authenticity you bring to your audience through your message and your storytelling. And there's different styles. So don't worry about trying to copy your favorite YouTuber. Step 3, learn through failure. One of the things that I had to realize is failure is not a setback. It can actually be an opportunity to set you up for growth. In the world of YouTube, you'll face challenges, make mistakes, and encounter these setbacks. But you know what? Learn to look at them as lessons and stepping stones to catapult you towards success. Take the time to analyze your videos, identify areas of improvement, and implement those things into your future content. Step 4, listen to the audience, but trust the analytics. Your audience's feedback is crucial in shaping your content. Engage with your viewers, read their comments, pay attention to their preferences. However, it's equally important to rely on your analytics provided by YouTube. Your analytics provide insight into your video performance, audience demographics, and viewer behavior. They help you make data-driven decisions and understand what's resonating with your audience. Step number 5, and this one's real important. Don't rush content. You know the mantra, quality over quantity. That should always be your main focus. It's better to have a few well-crafted videos than a slew of mediocre content. Take the time to plan, script, shoot, and edit your videos to deliver the best possible experience that you're capable of. Remember, it's okay to take your time. You'll eventually get better. Step number 6, find your consistency. Consistency is key to building a loyal audience. Establish a regular uploading schedule that works for you, whether it's weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. When viewers know when to expect new content from you, they're likely to stay engaged and subscribe. Remember, success on YouTube is not an overnight journey. It requires dedication, passion, and a willingness to learn from both success and failures. So start creating, embrace the process, and unlock your potential. Oh yeah.